You type a sentence. Mary gave John the book on Tuesday in Paris. What happens next inside a classical NLP system is a factory, a conveyor belt, 6 stations, tokenize, tag, parse, named entities, semantic roles, then downstream. For 30 years, each station was its own research field, its own PhD theses, its own conferences. And modern LLMs? They eat the whole belt in one gulp, but the belt is still in there, hidden. Welcome to Lecture 7. 10 videos on the core NLP tasks, the classical stack. This is the lecture where linguistics and engineering finally meet, where every abstract idea from lectures 1 through 6 turns into a concrete task with a benchmark and a leaderboard, and where you learn what a modern LLM is actually doing when nobody's looking. Lecture 6 ended with deep learning, transformers, BERT, GPT, big models trained on trillions of tokens, beautiful architecture, but we glossed over a question. What are these models actually for? What jobs do you point them at? Because predict the next word is not a job, it's a training objective. The jobs live in Lecture 7. The puzzle for today. If GPT-FOUR eats your sentence whole and spits back an answer, why should you still care about the 6-station belt? Answer: because every downstream product still runs on it. Search, summarization, question answering, translation, all of them lean on the same pipeline, sometimes explicit, sometimes buried in the weights. Learn the belt, read the field. Today's 3 beats. First, the classical pipeline in full. 6 stations, 1 sentence, all the way from raw characters to who did what to whom. Second, end-to-end models. What happened when transformers said, delete the pipeline, we'll learn all of it from scratch? Third, the Lecture 7 roadmap. 9 videos, each drilling into 1 station. Then, a closer. Beat 1. Walk the belt with me. Input: Mary gave John the book on Tuesday in Paris. Station 1. Tokenize. Chop the string into words and punctuation. Mary gave John the book on Tuesday in Paris, period. 9 tokens plus punctuation. Sounds simple. Video 2 is about how ridiculously not simple this actually is. Station 2. Part of speech tagging. Every token gets a grammatical category. Mary, proper noun. Gave, past tense verb. John, proper noun. The, determiner. Book, noun. On, preposition. Tuesday, proper noun. In, preposition. Paris, proper noun. Video 3 is entirely about this task, its tag set, its ambiguities. 97% solved. The last 3% is a jungle. Station 3. Parse. Take the sequence of tagged tokens and build a syntactic tree. Who is the subject? Mary. Who is the verb? Gave. What are the arguments? John. The book. When? Tuesday. Where? Paris. That structure is the skeleton of the sentence. Video 4 is the whole tour. And a good parser is a very impressive machine. And a bad parser is a comedy generator. Station 4. Named entity recognition. Which tokens name things in the world? Mary, a person. John, a person. Tuesday, a date. Paris, a location. Video 5 drills into this. It's the task that made spam filters good in the early 2000s and made Siri answer, "What's the weather in Berlin in the 2010s?" Station 5. Word sense disambiguation. Some words have many meanings. Bank, river or financial. Book, object or verb. Right, direction or correct. WSD picks the right meaning for the context. Video 6. Not glamorous. Absolutely load-bearing under machine translation and search. Station 6. Semantic role labeling. For each verb, tag the agent, the patient, the recipient, the instrument, the time, the place. Mary is the agent. John is the recipient. The book is the patient. Tuesday is the time. Paris is the location. That's who did what to whom, when and where. That's the belt output. Video 7. And then coreference in 8. Who is a Shay in the next sentence? And multi-word expressions in 9? Because kick the bucket has to not be tagged as literal bucket kicking. B2. End-to-end models. Around 2018, transformer folks started saying, why do we need 6 stations? Just train one giant model to eat text and produce answers. Delete the pipeline. Everyone freaked out. Turns out, It worked. Sort of. GPT does not run POS tags as an explicit intermediate step. But when you probe the model, POS-like information is sitting in the hidden layers anyway. So, why should you still learn the pipeline? 3 reasons. 1. Production. Most real systems still use spaCy or Stanza pipelines because they're fast, cheap, and inspectable. 2. Evaluation. The benchmarks are still per task. If you cannot describe POS accuracy or N near phone, you cannot read the field. 3. Debugging. When your LLM output is broken, you diagnose which station broke. Beat 3. The Lecture 7 Roadmap. Video 2. Tokenization, the deceptively hard first step. Video 3. POS tagging, the hello world of NLP. Video 4. Parsing, the sentences skeleton. Video 5. NER, people and places. Video 6. WSD, which bank did you mean? Video 7. SRL, who did what to whom? Video 8. Core reference tracking it. Video 9. Multi-word expressions, when kick the bucket breaks everything. Video 10. Recap and bridge to document level in Lecture 8. 3 takeaways before the quiz. 1. The classical NLP pipeline has 6 stations: Tokenize, POS, parse, NER, WSD, SRL, followed by downstream tasks. That belt was NLP for 30 years. 2. Modern transformers replaced the explicit belt, but POS-like, parse-like, NER-like information still lives inside the hidden layers. 3. Lecture 7 drills 1 station per video. Each is a full task, a benchmark, a leaderboard, and a career. Quiz 1. What are the 6 classical NLP pipeline stations in order? A parse, tokenize, POS, NER, WSD, SRLB. Tokenize, POS, parse, NER, WSD, SRLC. POS, tokenize, parse, WSD, NER, SRL, or D. Tokenize, NER, POS, parse, SRL, WSD. B. Tokenize first, because you cannot do anything without tokens. POS before parse, because parsers take tagged input. NER and WSD are per token or per span decisions once you have tags. SRL leans on the parse tree. That is the standard spaCy and Stanza order. Quiz 2. Why should you still learn the classical pipeline even in the LLM era? A. You cannot use LLMs without it. B. Production, evaluation, and debugging all still lean on it, plus the pipeline is still inside the LLMs. Hidden layers. C. LLMs cannot do NER at all. Or D. The pipeline is faster than any LLM at every task. B. spaCy and Stanza still run most real production text pipelines because they are cheap and inspectable. Benchmarks are per task. And probing studies show LLM hidden states carry POS-like and parse-like signals whether you ask for them or not. Quiz 3. In Mary Gave John the Book on Tuesday in Paris, which station produces the labels agent, recipient, patient, time, location? A tokenization. B. Semantic role labeling. SRL. C. POS tagging. Or D. Word sense disambiguation. B. SRL is the who did what to whom station. Video 7 of this lecture drills into it. Agent, patient, recipient, instrument, time, location, that's the vocabulary you want. Back to the puzzle. The belt is not dead, it just went into hiding. Every product still needs those 6 stations, and every serious NLP person still needs to know them. That is why Lecture 7 exists. 9 videos, 1 per station, then a closer. Next up, tokenization. Deceptively hard. Next time, tokenization. The first station on the belt. Also the one that breaks in the most delightful ways. Emoji, contractions, hashtags, URLs, Chinese. Every one of them a landmine. Hit subscribe.